Okay, family. I told you guys I was gonna holler at my little watermelon dude and get me a yellow meat watermelon. So we got us one of these yellow meat watermelons. And baby finna get ready to cut it open for us so we can see what it's looking like. Let's hope we don't open it and it's red. I'm gonna be mad. But yeah, we're finna go ahead and pop this yellow meat watermelon open so we can have some seeds for next year.
No, I'm so excited to see it, Mommy.
You excited to see it?
Yeah, it's opening. Oh, I'm scared. Oh no, everybody, position!
Position.
Ah! Oh no, oh, I can't wait to see it. Let me see
It's
it.
beautiful.
It's yellow.
Yes.
I can't believe it.
Look at it, child.
Look at you.
So we're gonna have us some yellow meat watermelons.
Yep, for sure did.
Let's do a little taste test, baby.
Let's do it a little bit taste. My mouth is watering for the watermelon.
You hear her? My mouth is watering for some watermelon. Oh, it's full of seeds. My God. It's good, baby. I don't know. That yellow orange flesh,
That's sweet.
it kind of remind you like a sweet Kool-Aid. It's good, yeah. So, yeah. I'm going to try to get as many seeds as I possibly can out of it and store them away to next year. Look, baby trying to get him some pieces all together. I'll probably just take a little spoon and just scoop out the seeds. I'll do that, baby. Okay, and I got my dragon fruit that we got from old Piggly Wiggly. Baby, go ahead and open it up. This is my first time having dragon fruit, y'all.
Yep, sure is, Mommy. I can't wait to see it.
They say it takes years for you to get a dragon fruit, the fruit.
A dragon.
So I don't know if I want to start there from seed, but I do want to taste it. I'll cut a little piece out, baby, because this is my first time having dragon fruit.
And this is the mango, guys. Look at this mango. Daddy, open the mango. Oh, it's so cute.
Here, Peaches.
What, for me?
Okay. You got to hold it down, baby. Dragon fruit is a no for me. I would rather have kiwi. Take a piece and you try it too, baby. I would rather have a kiwi than a dragon fruit. I mean, dragon fruit is something I would have to mix with something else.
In it.
It really don't even have a taste.
Trick them again. You like it?
It don't really have a taste.
Ain't no taste.
Wait, let me
But I mean,
taste.
it's a beautiful fruit. I will say that. Okay, so we got peaches mango that we got from Piggly Wiggly as well. We're going to go ahead and cut it up.
Oh, my mango. I found you.
You found your mango?
Yep, I found you.
Be kind of careful because I do want the seed out of it.
Oh, Mommy, I'm going to eat it.
That's something I would put some time into. Twirl it on around.
I'm going to try it now. So we got my mango ready. Daddy's going to cut my mango too. So we're going to taste it.
You finna taste it?
Yep. Mommy, let me taste the dragonfly.
This Peach's first time having mango, y'all, that she know of.
Yep, sure is, Mommy. Daddy, you cannot turn on the head either. Mommy, let me try the dragonfly. Dragonfly.
You can kind of twist it like a avocado almost.
It looks like an avocado.
It's too juicy.
So juicy and smelly. Mommy, can I try the dragonfly first?
No, it's a dragon fruit, not a dragonfly.
Mom, can I eat
We don't want any dragonflies.
Mommy, can I have some? Can I have the dragon fruit, please? Give me one.
That is beautiful.
Let me taste.
Hold on, Peaches. Daddy's gonna get you a piece off. Carve it out for her.
La 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 la. I love
That mango is to die for. You want to taste it, Mariana? It is good. It's worth it. All right, gang. Just a little small clip. I wanted y'all to see the yellow meat watermelon that kind of look orange, but it ain't red. And yellow watermelons are supposed to be the originals.
Mommy, it tastes like yellow.
Hmm?
It tastes like yellow, but not pinko.
Oh, okay.
It's not pink.
So, all right, y'all. We're going to get on out of here. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And leave your comments down below. And I will see you lovely people in the next video. Peace. Baby still cutting on that mango.